Good day, I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive whereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak louder?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
I'm willing to work in Malaysia, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can understand English, ma'am, and can I speak English and I can understand, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
Yeah, I have tattoo, ma'am.
In which part of your body?
The one is hiding like in the thigh, in my thigh,
Are you
and
okay? So you have a lot of tattoos in your body.
yeah, but cannot see, ma'am.
All
Cannot see.
right. So are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am, but no issues.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yeah, I have, ma'am.
Is it family
Relatives,
members, relatives?
relatives, ma'am.
What
Relatives.
kind
I
of
have
relatives? Sister,
the one,
brother?
the my mother's side. My mother's side. The one is niece, niece, ma'am.
All right. So our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
I agree, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Not first time, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I like to work in Malaysia because I want to try.
Why you didn't try or choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Singapore, I went Singapore before, ma'am.
All
But I
right.
want to.
So, okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Wilma Sapungan. I'm 39 years old. Five two my height. My weight is 62. I'm working in Singapore last time 8 years, and I sorry I experienced sorry I experienced working in Singapore is I look after the older 60, 66 and 80, 84 years old and 74, and look after kids also, and also cleaning, washing and ironing.
All right. So, Ate, please focus in the camera, ha? Okay? I don't want to keep on repeating here. So, I need to know some few more details from you, and please louder your voice. I cannot clearly hear you. You are 39 years old.
39 years old, mom.
Are
I
you
have one
single
kid.
or married?
I'm a single mom. Single mom.
Single mother. You don't have any living partner or
I have one
boyfriend?
kid. I don't have boyfriend, mom.
Okay, so when is your birthday?
My birthday, mom, is January 3, 1987.
What is your height and your weight again?
My height is 5'3". My weight is 62.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic, mom.
What about your educational background?
My education is a high school graduate, mom.
You mentioned that you got one kid, which is, according to your profile, it was 18 years old, right?
18 years old, mom, my daughter.
Okay, so who will going to look after your kid later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Um, my my daughter, mom, look after my sister, mom.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
My sister, mom, is 38 years old, mom.
Sorry?
My sister, mom, is 38 years old, housekeeper.
All right. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have six brother and five sister.
What is your
Five
rank
sister.
in your family?
Me is a first.
Are you the
First.
first, the second, the third?
Me as a first
You are the eldest.
eldest mom.
Okay, what about your mother and your father?
My mother is still alive, and my father passed away, mom.
How old is your mother?
My mother is 64.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yeah, my mother's allowed, mom. My
All right.
family's allowed.
So, according to you, this is not your first time working abroad. How many years you work in Singapore?
Uh, 8 years in Singapore, mom.
First, one employer only?
So your first employer, mom, is Chinese, 8 years, and the second employer is 1 year.
All right. So, for 8 years, what year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
One is first employer, mom, starting working is 2016 to 2024.
All right. So, you do taking care of elderly, which is 66, 84 years old.
Yes, ma'am. And 74.
Is it female or male?
Two female and one
The
male.
66 is female or male?
Female.
The 84?
The one female, ma'am.
The 74 is male. And you do take care also children.
Children also, ma'am.
And you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
Sorry, ma'am.
You have companion inside the house or are you the only helper?
Only one, ma'am. Helper.
How many children you take care inside the house?
Four children, ma'am.
How old are those children?
The one is 12 and 14 and 13.
12, 14, 13, and
The one twin, ma'am. One twin.
one twins, which is, how old is the twins?
The twins is 14.
All right. So 12 years old, 14 years old twins, and 13 years old. Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't renew your contract to this employer?
Because my employers changed the house. That's why I don't want to take the other maid. That's why I find another employer, ma'am.
All right, so you find another employer in what year? In Singapore also.
Yes, ma'am.
You work for how many years? 1 year.
1 year, ma'am, because my employers passed away.
Passed away. All
That's why
right. What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
2024 month to 2025 April.
All right. So how old is the elderly you take care? Is still elderly, is it?
Elderly.
How old is the elderly?
The one man is el elderly. No kids. The last one is no kids. Only 74 years old, ma'am, male.
Male, 74 years old. So this 74 years old is the one passed away, is it?
As a
Did you
female.
do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Same, ma'am. Ironing, cleaning, and
All
cooking.
right. So working here in Malaysia also is quite different in Singapore. Houses here is very big one. It's not apartment. It's not condominium. It's a landed. Some of here is landed and quite big. And employers here also is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to expect those unexpected things. All right. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I'm ready, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I can take care, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Take, I can cook, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Can also, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Pets also, ma'am, can.
Alright, this is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations? We don't force people to come here, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine, you can come. If you disagree, it's okay also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, okay? Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
How do you find, ma'am? Sorry?
How do you fight your homesickness? If you feel homesick, what do you do?
Uh, don't worry about the homesick, ma'am, because I'm working last time in Singapore. If I'm homesick, I call my daughter if finish my work.
All right. I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Wilma. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.